Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today, we have for you a house located in Mandeville, Manchester, and land area of 11,196 square feet. This modern architectural designed three-story house invites comfort and exudes an air of tranquility. With 7 bedrooms, 7 baths, and generous living space, you will enjoy a perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining. The open concept kitchen and living space occupy a section of the house that gives a feeling as if it is a separate building from the main three-story. This section can be accessed by a large frontal stair or an internal stair from the garage. The first floor of the three-story offers 3 bedrooms, including an ensuite with private balcony, 2 other bedrooms, a shared bathroom, and a powder room. The second floor has a master bedroom with its own private bath, plus a walk-in closet and a private balcony, plus 2 additional ensuite bedrooms. A large family balcony with access to a storeroom can be entered from the stairs between the first and the second floor. The ground floor consists of a 1 bedroom self-contained flat that can be used as an income earner. Other features of this home includes ceramic tile, security system, water tank, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, hot tub, fully fenced, roll down shutters, cable, central location, easy access, family oriented, hillside, private setting, view of the city, quiet area and road paved. The current price of this house is Jamaican 47 million or US $300,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.